Looking for a motherboard that can keep up with the demands of the latest 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors? The AMD AM4 Socket motherboard with PCIe 4.0 is designed to deliver just that: exceptional speed, reliable power, and cutting-edge connectivity all in one package. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this board promises the features you need to push your system to the limit. What sets this motherboard apart is its robust power design. Equipped with an 8+2 DrMOS power stage setup, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery to even the highest core count Ryzen CPUs. That means your processor runs smoothly under heavy loads without throttling or instability. Plus, the optimized thermal solution keeps everything cool and quiet. The fanless VRM and PCH heatsinks, combined with multiple hybrid fan headers and smart fan speed control through Fan Xpert 4 or UEFI Q-Fan, guarantee your system stays cool during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Connectivity is another area where this motherboard shines. Featuring Wi-Fi 6, 802. 11x, and 2.5 gigabits LAN with ASUS Landguard, you get fast, reliable networking for online gaming, streaming, and downloads. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.2 adds seamless wireless peripheral support. When it comes to gaming visuals and storage, the board supports HDMI 2.1 for crisp 4K at 60 Hz output and DisplayPort 1.2, giving you flexible display options. Dual M.2 slots, including one with PCIe 4.0x4, let you install ultra-fast NVMe SSDs for lightning-quick load times and data transfers. Front panel USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and Type-A ports, plus a Thunderbolt 3 header, cover all your peripheral needs with future-ready speed. Users across the U.S. have praised this motherboard for its easy installation and reliable performance. One satisfied customer highlighted the built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth as standout features that enhanced their setup without any hassle. Even if you don't use every feature right away, having this level of flexibility means your system is ready to grow with your needs. Worth a look if you want a motherboard that balances power, connectivity, and cooling with no compromises. If you're ready to build or upgrade your PC with a motherboard that truly complements the power of 3rd General AMD Ryzen CPUs, this AMD AM4 Socket board with PCIe 4.0 and Wi-Fi 6 deserves your attention. It's a smart investment that delivers reliable performance, future-proof connectivity, and efficient cooling. Try it when you're ready to experience what a well-designed motherboard can do for your system's speed and stability.